Hi, this is Rick Weisberg again with Oasis Water Harvesting here in Sierra Vista, Arizona. We are going to demonstrate today how to install an overflow system. Now you might have a question on what size do I choose for my tank. Do I need a 3-inch or 4-inch? I base that more on the size of your roof than the size of your tank. If you're putting a 2,600 gallon tank under 1,000 square feet of roof area, your 3-inch probably would be just fine. But if you're running 3,000 feet of roof area into any size tank, you're going to want to go with a 4-inch overflow system. First thing you want to do is get the rubber gasket on the back side of this flange, because this is going to be the tank wall here, and this is going to be outside the tank. Then I'm going to drill my hole. This is a 3 3/4 inch hole saw. Kind of right in the middle. Now that I've got that hole drilled, I want to clean up all these little hairs of plastic, because if you got a piece of plastic across here and you put your gasket over it, that'd be a good place for the water to leak out of. Grab your overflow, stick it in the tank like this, line it up so you have a hole at the very top and one at the very bottom as opposed to cockeyed. Don't be afraid to put a little pressure on this screw when you're screwing it in. I stop the screw when I see this gasket bulge. I don't go any further than that because that's going to deform this face here more than you need to. Now, it comes with this screened insert. Very easy to take out and clean. But if you don't keep up on it, this could get clogged. If scum forms on the surface of the water, if anything gets through that primary basket strainer on the top of the tank at your inlet, it won't take long to plug up this little 3-inch screen. So what I have found I really like are these called the Amazi Stop, made by the same company from Rain Harvest. And it just goes right in here like this, and it just flaps open. It'll never get clogged up. It's maintenance free. It'll always work. Now, if you want to run this out through 3-inch pipe and run your overflow to another location, you need this adapter. This is now 3-inch Schedule 40 pipe. You put a little piece of 3-inch pipe in there, glue, sticking out a little bit, glue an elbow on there, come down with your pipe, put another elbow at the ground or underground, and at the end of your run, at the other end of the pipe, this comes with the Mozzie Stop. What this would go over the end of your 3-inch Schedule 40 pipe. This is now metric, which goes into this adapter, and then this would slide into this adapter part. I might pin this with a screw if ever you need to replace this end part, if somebody steps on it or breaks it somehow. And so that's how you install a 3-inch Rain Harvest overflow system.